Linking your bank account to Indeed can help streamline your job application process and manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your Indeed account. Visit the Indeed website and log into your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find payment options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled payment options or bank account. Click on this section to proceed to the bank account linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that you input this information accurately to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation email once the linking is successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Indeed. This will help you manage your job search and any related financial transactions more efficiently.